So I am Dr. Manisha Joshi. I'm a gynecologist by profession and I'm practicing here in Pune for many years as a gynec. I have my clinic here in Pune and I am available online as well. What exactly is endometriosis? How can we take charge of endometriosis? How can we see that the endometriosis, if in our body, heals, it does not increase, and it does not trouble us more, but in fact, we reduce the troubles for us. Endo is inside, endometrium is the inside lining of our uterus. So, if the inside lining of our uterus comes outside the uterus, then this is called as endometriosis. Why should it come outside the uterus? Ideally, it should not come outside the uterus. Ideally, it should stay inside the uterus and bleed every month. So endometrium lining will release and a new endometrium lining will come. But when women experience or have endometriosis, what the body starts to create is वो endometrium जो अंदर का है वो बाहर के surface पे uterine surface, outside surface of the uterus, it can be on the outside surface of the uterus, it can be on the fallopian tubes, it can be on the ovarian surface, also in the pelvic cavity, sometimes over other organs as well. So when the endometriosis, the endometriotic tissue starts to grow outside the uterine inside lining, it is diagnosed as endometriosis. Clinically, practically, when this endometrium lining starts growing outside on the outer surface of the uterus, on the fallopian tubes, on the ovaries, then every time when you have your periods, this endometriosis जो अलग अलग abnormal जगह पे भी grow करने लगा है, वो भी bleed करता है. And then that bleeding gives you pain. It gives pain to women. Therefore, there is excessive period pain. Sometimes it gives excessive bleeding. Therefore, some women experience excessive bleeding also. Sometimes passage of clots also. And because it is in different areas in the pelvis also, women get different areas by pain also, not in just the central area. They get pain in the central area. They get pain in the left side, on the right side, and because it also grows in the pelvic cavity, sometimes women experience pain in the upper abdomen also. So let's talk about this pain first. Endometriotic pain is the pain which you experience during periods, before periods, sometimes all throughout the month, but aggravated during the periods. She feels like taking hot water bag on the tummy area. She feels like taking painkiller tablets or antispasmodic tablets. ये सब वो उनको लेने की जरूरत पड़ती है. What else this pain can come as? This pain can also come as backache. Okay, strong backache, lower back especially, and then it also, this is period related. So period के आने के time या period का bleeding शुरू होने के बाद intense backache. This also could be a sign of endometriosis. Some women have pain during sex also, right? Common sense है क्योंकि because the endometriotic abnormal tissues are lying in the pelvic cavity, when you have physical sex, the physical act itself creates pain for the woman because these endometriotic implants which are there here and there lying on the pelvis, because they are in the abdominal regions, the physical act itself gives pain to the woman. If the endometriotic implants or the inflammation or the adhesions are also concerning or have involved our bowel, that is our gut, small intestine, large intestine, तो इस टाइप की लड़कियों में डेफिकेशन के टाइम मतलब सुसु करते टाइम एंड पॉटी करते टाइम भी दर्द होता है. दिस इज नॉट द नॉर्मल फंक्शन ऑफ योर बॉडी. Normal function of your body is what? To give you monthly periods without giving you pain, without giving you excessive bleeding, without giving you spotting in between. Periods आते हैं, आप ऑफिस जाते हो, आप सब शॉपिंग वॉपिंग भी कर सकते हो, आप सेक्स भी कर सकते हो, पीरियड्स चले भी जाते हैं without giving you any pain or excessive bleeding or passage of clots. That is called as normal periods. So if you have these symptoms, which where there is excessive pain, there is excessive bleeding, please get a scan done. And when the scan is being done, we do understand inflammation, we understand endometriotic cysts. So chocolate cyst बनते हैं. So वही वाला blood, excessive endometriotic tissue, अगर यूट्रस के आजू बाजू में ओवरीज पे फलोपियन ट्यूब्स पे ग्रो करने लगता है तो ओवरीज पे सिस्ट बनते हैं जिसको वी ऑल्सो कॉल द सिस्ट एज चॉकलेट सिस्ट्स. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट ब्लीडिंग. हाउ डज endometriosis affect our menstrual bleeding? many women, more women who have endometriosis have excessive bleeding. अगर bleeding 3-4 days में बंद होना जरूरी है, इनकी bleeding linger होती है 7 days, 8 days, sometimes 10 days. And secondly, the amount of bleeding is also more. So second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day ज्यादा bleeding हो रहा है, जबकि वो कम कम होना चाहिए, but वो कम नहीं हो रहा है, वो ज्यादा है. So she's changing more number of pads during the day. How does it affect fertility? Because because endometriosis is not normal, something which the body has found out as not normal, it will not let the next project happen, that is conception. So endometriosis comes in the way of fertilization. Endometriosis comes in the way of the previous function, that is the preparation of an egg, preparation of a follicle, support of the follicle growth, support of the egg growth, support of the rupture, support of fertilization and growth of the child. Conception is your right. Creating babies is your right. But right now, if there is endometriosis, you have to take a pause. You have to ask yourself, why is this endometriosis my body has created? I am not living a good, fulfilled, healthy life. I have stress. My habits are wrong. I am not exercising. I am not following timings. My sleep is not good. My sleep hygiene is gone here and there. My timings, मैं कभी भी सोती हूँ, कभी भी उठती हूँ. If you have understood this as the change and then you suffered from endometriosis, you are exactly right on the spot. Yes, these are the changes when we do in our lifestyle as women. Our body creates problems called as endometriosis, and therefore conception does not happen. There is no tablet in homeopathy, Ayurvedic, or allopathy to heal the endometriosis. One thing I can do is I can remove that endometriosis वाला part जो आपको पेन दे रहा है, जो आपको ट्रबल दे रहा है. जैसे I can remove the cyst, I can remove the adhesions, I can remove the inflammation, the endometriosis. I can see red patches, some raised patches. I can remove some of them if possible through surgery. What I can't remove is I can't remove the root causes, because removing the root causes of endometriosis is in your hands. We want to become pregnant. We will become pregnant. Any number of times you can become pregnant. Sometimes you worry about what is mentioned in the sonography as grade 1 endometriosis, grade 2, grade 3. And then you search on the Google. And obviously हमारे को मालूम है कि इसको कैंसर ग्रेड 1 था, उसको कैंसर ग्रेड 3 था. We know grade 3 is much worsening than grade 1. I want to tell you that if you start working on your lifestyle habits, whether it is grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, whether it is how much ever severe endometriosis, your body can heal. Your body can heal the inflammation. Your body can remove the adhesions. Your body can make the ovaries clear. Endometriotic cysts dissolve हो सकते हैं. Rupture होके शरीर उसको absorb करेगा और नहीं बनेंगे, उसका ध्यान रखेगा. Isn't that great? ये 4-5 चीजों पे काम किया तो मैं endometriosis जा सकता है. मैं कंसीव हो सकती हूँ. मुझे महंगी महंगी ट्रीटमेंट्स पे नहीं जाना है. मुझे आईवीएफ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. मुझे शांत रहना है. मुझे एज का टेंशन नहीं लेना है. नंबर ऑफ इयर्स ऑफ मैरिज का टेंशन नहीं लेना है. सम डॉक्टर टोल्ड यू नहीं होगा तेरे से, तू आईवीएफ ही कर, तू आईयूआई कर, कुछ नहीं हो सकता तेरा. ब्लीडिंग भी बहुत हो रहा है, पीरियड्स भी बहुत पेनफुल है. सो ऑलरेडी होपलेस लग रहा था आपको. नाउ दैट व्हेन मी एज अ गायनेक and I have had so many patients with endometriosis who have conceived different types of endometriosis, whether adhesions or even cysts. So out of my experience and medical expertise, if science and evidence also supports that, बिल्कुल सही है. कोई दरवाजे बंद नहीं होते हैं औरत को कि एंडोमेट्रियोसिस हो गया तेरे तो सारे दरवाजे बंद हो गए, अभी तू जा और आईवीएफ ही कर. बिल्कुल नहीं करना, क्योंकि आईवीएफ करके भी उस एम्ब्रियो को हम अपने शरीर में ही डालेंगे, है कि नहीं. अब शरीर ऑलरेडी इन्फ्लेम्ड है, ऑलरेडी देयर इज एन इम्बैलेंस इन अ डिसीज कॉल्ड एंडोमेट्रियोसिस. कैसे ग्रो होगा हमारा छोटू? ग्रो नहीं हो पाएगा. फिर वो प्रेगनेंसी कितनी टेंशन में जाएगी. आप 10-10, 15-15 दवाइयां खा रहे हो और बिल्कुल जीरो एनर्जी. बच्चे तक क्या पहुंचाएंगे हम? सो माई रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू इज दैट डोंट गेट इनटू अ हरी टू क्रिएट अ प्रेगनेंसी. हमें लगता है जल्दी जल्दी होना चाहिए, एज इंपॉर्टेंट है, नहीं तो मेनोपॉज आ जाएगा, नहीं तो मेरा क्या होगा. कुछ नहीं होगा आपका. मेनोपॉज को टाइम है, 50-55 में मेनोपॉज आता है. योर हेल्थ इज इंपॉर्टेंट देन योर एज. एंडोमेट्रियोसिस इज नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ एज. एंडोमेट्रियोसिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ रॉन्ग हेल्थ. And we can change the health. We can always change the health. But associative reasons ये हैं कि पहले के जमाने में कुछ सालों पहले एंडोमेट्रियोसिस औरतों को नहीं होता था. Women did not have cysts. Women were able to conceive naturally. Women did not have pain during periods. कितना heavy काम women were able to do at that time. They were doing field works, they were doing houseworks. There's a lot of physical work that women were doing more than what we are doing today. So endometriosis is a new disease. It's a modern women ka disease. So we got a lot of freedom, we got education, we got our rights, and we are like doing everything and coming more amount of money even than our husbands. But in that run, what many of us might have lost is our health. And because we are women, we are more sensitive than the men when it comes to health. So men रात को जागरण कर रहे हैं, खाना गलत खा रहे हैं, तो उनके शरीर में एंडोमेट्रियोसिस जैसा डिसीज नहीं बनेगा. वो सफर करेंगे, कुछ वो ओवरवेट होंगे, एसिडिटी होएगा वगैरह वगैरह. बट ये जो हमारा मेन फंक्शन है ना एज वुमेन, अपना मेन फंक्शन क्या है? रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम इज अ वेरी डेलिकेट सिस्टम. उसको बहुत बैलेंस की जरूरत पड़ती है, जो मेन में इतना इट इज नॉट देयर. फॉर वुमेन अस इट इज मोर. नाउ नोबडी टीचेस अस दिस. स्कूल में नोबडी टेल्स अस दिस. मम्मियां नहीं बताती, कॉलेज में नहीं बताते कि यार तू अलग है, तेरे को थोड़ा खुद का अलग अच्छी तरह से ध्यान देना है, तू सिर्फ दौड़ मत ऐसे, तू खुद का ध्यान रख, तू सपोर्ट सिस्टम क्रिएट कर. ये ना ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर तू यहाँ गड़बड़ करेगी ना तो तेरे को पीरियड में पेन होगा. तू यहाँ गड़बड़ करेगी, यू विल हैव एक्सेसिव ब्लीडिंग, यू माइट हैव एंडोमेट्रियोसिस, यू माइट हैव डिफिकल्टी इन कंसेप्शन. ऐसा कोई हमको नहीं बताता एग्जैक्ट ऐसा एकदम confidently 100% this is what happens, and therefore we keep running. So basically there are a few associative causes which have been found out, evidence based. One is food. So food अगर हमारा गलत होता है तो endometriosis होने के chances ज्यादा है. Food which is itself inflammatory will create inflammation in the body. Now there are a lot of people who speak about food, especially on the internet. Sometimes we read it, we listen to it, and we get more confused because random people are saying random things. The simplest food is the best food. The more you process it, it becomes inflammatory. Therefore, best option is to eat food which is less processed by you. घर का खाना. लोग बोलते हैं मैं तो घर का खाना खाती हूँ मैम, फिर मेरे को कैसे? सिंपलेस्ट फूड विच इज नॉट प्रोसेस्ड, जैसे नेचर ने दिया मैंने खाया. सब्जियां इन द रॉ फॉर्म, फ्रूट्स इन द रॉ फॉर्म, ड्राई फ्रूट्स, सीड्स, ग्रीन पत्तियां, रूट्स, all of this what we can eat in the simplest form is best for us. It is non-inflammatory food. Animal food is inflammatory food, so stay away from animal food. So if you want to heal your endometriosis, best is that you avoid inflammatory food. Second, eat in moderation. You don't need too much food, and of course avoid all the outside junk, kachra and all of that. So our reproductive system, हमारा uterus, ovaries, fallopian tubes, endocrinal glands, all of them need maintenance. And maintenance cannot happen by we sitting in the chair all throughout the day or doing household work. Maintenance is when you're moving your body in a particular way, which is the scientific way, where you move अलग अलग आसनास में, अलग अलग पोजिशंस में, अलग अलग एक्सरसाइजेस में, जिससे शरीर का अंदर का इन्फ्लेमेशन विल रिड्यूस, circulation will enhance, oxygenation will go everywhere, nutrients will reach everywhere, and the body will start healing you from inside. You exercise because exercise is medicine. Enough evidence is there, enough evidence of how endometriosis के लिए exercise works amazing. Along with exercise, breathing practices से हमारा उसका सारा असर हमारे पैरासिम्पैथेटिक सिस्टम पे जाता है, और ब्रीदिंग एक तरफ से जो करते हैं वो हीलिंग बनाती है अंदर, क्योंकि वो सब कुछ चेंज करती है अंदर. योर स्ट्रेस, then you're all the time thinking negative, you are in the complaining mode, you become angry, you become sad, you become irritated, frustrated. All these emotions and feelings create different kind of hormones. These different kind of hormones are not helpful to us. They create endometriosis. Hormones that you generate in your mind through your emotions and your feelings and your mental state affect our reproductive system ka health. So stress is happening on a chronic basis. The more it becomes chronic, the more it creates big problems like inflammation, adhesions, endometriosis. So we have to work on this, and it is possible, and there is no medicine for this, there is no tablet for this. Last aspect is our sleep. Sleep is medicine. We have to sleep in a particular time, we have to sleep in a particular way. So our sleep has to be nice, peaceful, and deep, very sound. Body understands a rhythm where you are sleeping at around 10:30, and you're getting up at around 5 to 6, 6:30 के बीच में. That is the rhythm the body understands. So when I have seen in my practice also, when women start making these changes in their lifestyle, that's where the endometriosis comes in control. धीरे धीरे सब कम होने लगता है. The woman says, "Oh, ma'am, I don't have any pain now. I don't have excessive bleeding. What happened?" And then she conceives also. सारे cysts dissolve हो जाते हैं और cysts नहीं बनते हैं. Life peaceful बन जाती है. लड़की ऑफिस जा सकती है periods के टाइम. Tablets बंद हो जाते हैं. But do understand, when you move into right food, timings, exercises, pranayama, sleep, stress release, your body heals from inside, and you keep doing it on a regular basis. And I know professionally you are active, professionally I am also busy. But it is possible. I do all of this for myself. That's why I don't have any troubles. You can also do. And that's exactly what I teach in the Freedom from PCOS 3 months program, which is online. Please understand, suffering is not because of, you're not here to suffer. So मत करो सफर प्लीज. खुद का ध्यान रखो. खुद का ध्यान पहले रखो, दूसरों का ध्यान बाद.